Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Here you are looking with me on 2001 Toyota Tacoma Pre-Runner equipped with the V6 engine and approximately 213,000 miles on the odometer. And she will help us to make a video about a quick tip of purchasing used vehicles. I myself was shopping for 3 or 4 months, looking on our limited supply of vehicles here in Northern California, chasing Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace ads. And after all that search for reasonably priced commuter which will drive me from A to B without any drama, I discovered this 2009 Volkswagen Jetta with only 124,000 miles. And it was priced very reasonably because the owner said it had an oil leak he didn't have time to deal with, and also it had a check engine light on, so it wasn't smoked. And that was long search, so of course I was ready. I had my light for inspection, at least one rack. And since it's German product, I had a big scanner ready. I called the owner and head to his address immediately. So having all that ready, when I saw the vehicle, I did my checks, I was able to make a decision if I want to buy it or not. So I painted this scenario because you might end up in the same one. You are looking for your next Toyota. The market is not really great. Prices are almost double for used vehicles, and you will be in the situation that you need to make that decision quickly. The owner will most likely have already other people calling on that ad, and you will have to say, hey, I want to go for it or not. You will not have the time to say, hey, can I tomorrow take it to my mechanic and they will go through it, blah, blah, blah. It will be not the option, and you will need to make decision quickly. And I want to show you what gives you perfect idea in what condition is the engine, despite the fact it has a super high miles. So we are pretending that you don't have time to take it to the shop. You don't have time to pull all the spark plugs and do the compression on the engine. You only can hook the scanner. There are no misfires. Everything is good. No codes pending. It's ready for a smoke. And there is that one spot where you can look, and that will confirm that the maybe seller didn't reset the computer using his little reader right before you arrived. And it's right here on this side. This is a great indicator how the engine runs. Look with me inside of this pipe, the tailpipe. And it's absolutely clean, basically like it was brand new when it was sitting on the dealer's lot when it was for sale. That means this engine and the exhaust and the catalytic converters, all basically right past the engine, has a perfect compression, has a good combustion. There's no problem with the air-fuel mixture. It's not burning oil. There are not piston rings leaking oil, because it's absolutely clean. You can see inside, and this is what you want to see. There will be only one exception. If it was so rusted that there will be hole somewhere here, and all these fumes, the gas, the exhaust fumes will be leaking somewhere here. So in the case of Tacoma, there is a lot of space underneath it, so you can just crawl under without any jack and so on. You can do it anywhere in the parking lot and just see there are no leaks of exhaust gases here. Therefore, you can trust to what you just saw here. I can tell you, despite the fact this Taco has 213,000 miles on the odometer, it seems to be in perfect condition. I was just doing inspection today. I even pulled one of the spark plugs. It's a 5VZFE, you know they're supposed to be twin tips. The spark plugs looks perfect, almost like new, and everything is confirmed. When I checked the ECM with the scanner, there were 0 codes and it's actually green, the emissions are green, so purely theoretically if the owner wanted to smog it today he can. So the tailpipe perfectly confirms that this engine is in excellent shape. Doesn't matter that it has 213,000 miles and it will run for a long time in the future. So I hope you like this quick tip for buying used vehicle. If you do, please give it a thumb up. And what shall I say? Let's go shopping for the next car. See you later, my friend.